Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, the place where we empower you to take control of your financial destiny. Today, we've got a game-changing topic, the 10 rules of money you must follow to get rich. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these key principles that can transform your financial future. Rule 1. Set clear financial goals. Without a destination, you can't plan a journey. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals, whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Rule 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about allocating resources wisely. Know where your money is going each month, and make conscious choices that align with your goals. Rule 3. Invest wisely. Put your money to work for you. Explore different investment options, diversify your portfolio, and understand the power of compounding. Investing is a key pathway to wealth creation. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Rule 4. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Stay informed about personal finance, investments, and economic trends. Continuous learning will give you a competitive edge. Rule 5. Live below your means. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Practice frugality and resist the temptation of lifestyle inflation. Building wealth requires discipline. Rule 6. Emergency fund is non-negotiable. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net is crucial. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Rule 7. Multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a single income source can be risky. Explore side hustles, investments, or passive income streams to increase your financial resilience. Rule 8. Network and build relationships. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Networking opens doors to opportunities you might not have considered. Rule 9. Continuous improvement. The world evolves, and so should you. Stay adaptable, upgrade your skills, and be open to innovation. Your ability to adapt is crucial for long-term financial success. Rule 10. Give back. As you climb the financial ladder, remember to lift others with you. Philanthropy not only makes a positive impact on the world, but also enriches your own life in ways money can't measure. There you have it, the 10 rules of money you must follow to get rich. Remember, wealth is a journey, not a destination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay financially empowered.